The Istanbul Bosphorus Bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in Turkey. It connects the European and Asian sides of Istanbul, making it a bridge between two continents. The bridge is also known as the 15 July Martyrs Bridge, named in memory of the events of 2016. The idea of building a bridge over the Bosphorus Strait was first discussed many years ago. For centuries, people traveled between Europe and Asia by boat. However, as Istanbul grew larger, the need for a bridge became more urgent. In 1970, construction of the bridge finally began. It was a big and exciting project for Turkey. Engineers and workers from different countries worked together to build it. After 3 years of hard work, the Bosphorus Bridge was completed in 1973. The bridge was officially opened on October 29, 1973, a very special day in Turkish history. This date marks the anniversary of the founding of the Turkish Republic. The opening ceremony was a proud moment for the country, and many people came to celebrate. The Bosphorus Bridge is a suspension bridge, snargis, which means it hangs from strong steel cables. It is 1,560 meters long and 33.4 meters wide. The bridge stands 64 meters above the water, allowing large ships to pass underneath. Its two tall towers rise high into the sky, making it a remarkable sight. At night, the bridge becomes even more beautiful. Colorful lights illuminate it, creating a magical view. These lights often change colors, making the bridge a favorite spot for tourists and photographers. Boat tours on the Bosphorus give visitors a chance to see the bridge from the water, where it looks even more majestic. The Bosphorus Bridge has played an important role in Istanbul's development. It has made travel between Europe and Asia much easier and faster. Every day, thousands of cars, buses, and trucks cross the bridge. It has become a vital part of Istanbul's busy life. The bridge is not only practical, but also symbolic. It represents the connection between two continents and two cultures. It shows how Istanbul is a city of unity, where East meets West. Over the years, the bridge has witnessed many important events in Turkey's history. Today, the Bosphorus Bridge remains a proud symbol of Istanbul and Turkey. It stands as a reminder of human achievement and the power of connection. Whether during the day or at night, the bridge continues to inspire all who see it. The Bosphorus Bridge is not just a bridge, it is also a piece of history. Its construction changed life in Istanbul. Before the bridge was built, traveling between Europe and Asia was slow. People had to use ferries, which took a long time. The bridge made this journey much faster and more convenient. The construction of the bridge was a great engineering achievement. Engineers faced many challenges. The Bosphorus is a busy waterway with strong currents. It was difficult to build such a large structure over it. However, modern technology helped. The bridge was designed by famous engineers from Turkey and other countries. They worked carefully to make it strong and safe. The bridge was built with steel and concrete. These materials are very strong and durable. The suspension cables hold the weight of the bridge and the vehicles on it. The two towers of the bridge are very tall, standing at 165 meters. They support the cables and give the bridge its iconic look. When the bridge was opened in 1973, it was a moment of celebration. The Turkish flag flew proudly on both sides of the bridge. People were excited to see the first connection between Europe and Asia. It was more than just a bridge. It was a symbol of progress and unity for Turkey. In the following years, the Bosphorus Bridge became a vital part of Istanbul's daily life. It carries thousands of vehicles every day. During rush hours, the bridge is often crowded with traffic. Despite the heavy use, the bridge remains strong and reliable. Regular maintenance keeps it in excellent condition. In 2016, the bridge was renamed the 15 July Martyrs Bridge. This was to honor the people who defended democracy during the events of that year. The bridge became a symbol of strength and resilience for Turkey. Today, the Bosphorus Bridge is a popular tourist attraction. Visitors come from all over the world to see it. Many people take boat tours on the Bosphorus to admire the bridge from the water. The view at night is especially beautiful, with the colorful lights shining on the bridge. The bridge also plays an important role in Turkish culture. It is often featured in movies, TV shows, and postcards. It has become a symbol of Istanbul and a source of pride for the Turkish people. In addition to its historical and cultural significance, the bridge is an example of modern engineering. It shows how technology and creativity can solve big problems. The Bosphorus Bridge is a reminder that humans can achieve great things when they work together. The Bosphorus Bridge connects more than just land. It connects people, cultures, and histories. It stands as a powerful symbol of unity and progress. For Istanbul, the bridge is not just a structure, it is a living part of the city's story. Thank you for watching. I would be glad if you like it.